Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must start on the TV with JioHotstar open. Log into the same account you use on other devices. Once done, navigate to Profile or Account using the remote. This gets you into Settings and Activity. If the TV app shows a Continue Watching row, highlight an item to see options. Sometimes you can remove single titles directly. Make sure you note whether the app offers Remove from Continue Watching. If not, you'll switch to the phone or web next. Now use a phone or browser for full control. Sign into the exact JioHotstar account. Once logged in, open my account and find Watch History or Continue Watching. This interface typically lists everything. Remove individual entries by selecting the three dots or Remove. When available, choose Clear or Remove all to wipe history at once. These changes sync to your TV. After removing, wait a minute for servers to update. Then return to the TV app to verify the list is cleared. Finish by forcing the TV app to close, then restart it so the server-side changes appear. If entries still show, sign out on the TV and sign back in. Make sure to clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. If that fails, check you removed items from the correct account. Sometimes multiple profiles cause confusion. As a troubleshooting tip, try clearing history on the web, then power cycle the TV and router. If problems persist, contact JioHotstar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.